death march in Bataan, but he did not survive the fight for equity. We are talking about Faustino Mang Piping Baclig. We've had him on the show many times, and last Monday we did a little tribute for him. Pero para po dun sa mga hindi nakapanood, here is our last respects for a fallen soldier.
During our lifetime, please pick up the cudgel for us and fight until you have it. And when you have it, please be vigilant to keep it. Because if the American government has done this to those people who offer their life and limbs so that this nation will be great again, they can do that to you at any time at their whims.
Heartbreaking to know, and when you think about it, a lot of these lolos are Filipino veterans, or lolo po kung tawagin natin, no? They really worked hard during World War II, and dapat po sa ganitong stage ng buhay nila, they should just be enjoying their kids, their grandchildren, but no, they have been flocking to the streets, nagmamarcha, nagrarally po, pinaglalaban pa rin ang equity na tinatawag para sa ating mga Filipino-American veterans, and a lot of them are still alive also one by one. Nahihirapan na rin po sila with their lives. So sana po matulungan din natin. And for those of you who want to pay last respects to Mang Piping Baclig, this is the schedule for viewing service. Thursday, March 3rd, that's tomorrow, 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and March 4th, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. That's on Friday. Dyan po sa Rose Hills Memorial. Interment service, March 5 on Saturday, that's at 11 a.m. Kami po sa ngalan ng bumubuo ng Kababayan LA, nakikiramay sa mga naulila ni Mang Piping Baclig. And in a way, it's not just his family, but the whole Filipino-American community here, because he was very active when he was alive, certainly a very inspiring man. So, Mang Piping Baclig, our prayers are with you and also with your family. Meanwhile, sa araw-araw po na ginagawa natin dito sa Kababayan LA, sa pamumuhay dito sa Amerika, marami po tayong dinadalang mga problema. Sometimes, immigration problems, sometimes health problems for those who are sick. And we all know that prayer works, but you know what? There's also another thing that works, and that is music. Not too long ago, we had here a kababayan singing nurse. Napapagaling po niya yung kanyang mga pasyente sa kanilang ospital. Kinakantahan lang po niya ng gitara. Even those who were in a coma, they also managed to wake up. And I'll leave you with this music. Sana po matulungan kayo ng kanta na ito to get you through your day. Here is Rod Salaysay for you, and I'll see you again tomorrow.